Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss 8 resume editing tips. You know, it's amazing what a well-written and nicely presented resume can do for your job search. Before you can send yours out, follow this checklist to ensure you are sending out an excellent quality representation of yourself. All right, number 1, spelling. Use the spell check function, then print it out and read the document word for word. You know, spell checker, it doesn't know that you meant manager when you actually type the word major. I see this all the time. Number 2, capitalization. Use a manual such as the Gregg reference manual if you do not know the capitalization rules. All right, number 3, punctuation. Check for proper use of commas and semicolons. Again, if you're unsure, refer to that Gregg reference manual. It's a great book. All right, number 4, run-on sentences. Check to make sure you do not have run-ons that are hard to read. Number 5, consistency. You must be consistent with your number usage, such as dates, money, plurals, and abbreviations. For example, don't list one date as 8-2004 and then list another as 3-15-2004. Also, be aware of listing any software. Make sure that you're doing this consistently. MS Word and Microsoft Office are both correct, but do it consistently. Number 6, education section. When you have a degree, list only the year that you obtained your degree. When you list your dates, such as 9-1998 to 1-2002, many resume scanning systems will not recognize that you obtained a degree, only that you attended college for a period of time. Number 7, ampersands. Ampersands do not belong on a resume. You know, there are a few exceptions. One exception is a well-known company named AT&T. Another exception is well-known industry terms such as P&L. Outside of that, leave them off. Number 8, hyperlinks. All email and web addresses that you list need to be deactivated in your resume. To do this in MS Word, just simply highlight the link, go to the Insert drop-down menu, scroll down to click hyperlink, and on the lower left-hand side of the screen, there should be a little button that says Remove Link. When you find it, give that little click, and voila, you're good to go. I hope I explained that correctly. Alternatively, you can highlight the link, right-click on it, and scroll down to remove link as well. That will also deactivate it. All right, so for more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.